guys, it's Danny. Today I'm back with another weekly plan with me. This week I'm planning for the 28th of May to the 3rd of June and I'm using this kit from the GP Studio. This was from the January GP Studio subscription box and it's one of their little mini sticker kits. That's not so many, you get plenty in here. I've done a TN spread with some of these already and they go really nicely in my TN for full spreads. So this will be my last spread, doing a week on 4 page view. Next week I will be moving into my daily insert, so I will still be doing videos, but I'll be doing daily planning. So hopefully you all still enjoy watching those. Here's a look at last week. I do just like to switch it up sometimes. I still like these inserts just fine, but I'm finding that I need a little bit more room for lists, and I'm just doing lists in the back of my TN, another insert, so it kind of seems a bit silly when I could just do it all in one. So moving to daily, so a day on 1 page, and I don't know if I like it yet, but I'm gonna give it a go. So 1 more week left and that's this week. So you will notice I'm in a new TN. I moved into my Rowena fairly recently. I'm really loving using this Foxy. It's a very dark rich brown. It's hard to tell on camera exactly what color it is, but I love it, and I love how nicely my Mochi pen sleeve matches, especially with the burgundy elastics. Oh, I just love it. I love it so much, I can't deal. Okay, so enough jabbering on from me. Let's get into this plan with me.